Good morning, guys. It's Miss Gemby. Just thought I'd give you a little video instruction about how this is going to work for this unit. Since I'm changing it up on you a little bit, I am still homesick, guys. But anyway, so here's your week. This is this week. I've got kind of laid out for you here. It says home lesson 1. This talks about lesson 2, lesson 3. More of lesson 3 and lesson 4, and this may be like a little confusing to you, like where are these lessons, what are we doing? Well, you're still going to complete everything from here. This is your page as usual, but I have tried to do something more interactive by creating a Google site. You still have your formatives listed by date over here when they're due, and your honors extension and everything. Okay, so when you go here, it says enter the world of circles and segment. Click on the image. We're going to do that in a minute. Again, your important dates are on the page, both face-to-face and virtual. Here's a copy of that Google Doc with some pacing for you. This is different. It's no longer live links, but it does tell you what lessons you're going to work on what day, as well as when your formatives and everything are. So that's on your page. And this is where you can turn in assignments from lesson 2, 3, 4, and 7. There are assignments in the other lessons, but they have different places to turn them in. Okay, this is where you're going to click. I do not know why it's taking you lesson 8. Just come up here to click on the home button. Here's the student packet for those of you that like to print the whole thing off. You can print it off right here. And when you click next, it takes you to lesson 1. So when it tells you today is lesson 1, you're going to work on all of this lesson. And as you go down the page, you can see you've got a video to watch and take notes. You're going to complete this practice work right here. It's also in the packet at the front. And then after completing, you're going to click here and put your answers in. Okay. Then you watch the second video, take notes, complete this practice work. And then click here to put your answers in, and I will be able to check your answers. If you click next, it takes you to lesson 2, converting radians and degrees, and you can see it's all the way again. It tells you how to do things. Watch the video, take notes, then complete the formative. And this is your formative right here. It says converting radian degrees formative. And then here it says mixed practice, complete and submit on It's Learning. This is lesson 2, and you have something to complete on It's Learning. If you click more up here, you can see how you can go down all the different lessons. If we go back to It's Learning page, you can see there's where you would put in your assignment from lesson 2. So that's how we're going to work this one, okay? And then as the dates for the formatives show up, when we get to those dates, then I will have the formative for you as well here. Okay, guys, hope this helps, and I hope you find it a little more interactive. I'd love to hear your thoughts on everything once you get in and kind of get used to it. Maybe give it a chance. I know it's a little different, but maybe get through 5 or 6 lessons, and then let me know if you like the plain Google out better or if you like this. Anyway, hope you all are doing well, and hopefully I'll be talking to some of you soon. Bye.